In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate attendance percentage automatically in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup that updates itself as you mark attendance, so you always know the current percentage at a glance. First, set up your grid. Put your dates across the top row as column headers, and for each student or participant, use a single row to record attendance. In each date column, type P for present and A for absent. Keep those entries consistent, capital P and capital A, so your formulas work every time. If a class hasn't happened yet, leave that cell blank. That way, the sheet won't count it until you're ready. Now, let's count how many days someone was present. Click the cell where you want the present count to appear, typically near the row of data. Type the formula equal COUNTIF B2Z2P and press enter. This looks across the range B2 through Z2 and counts every P. Adjust the range if your dates start or end in different columns. For example, if your dates begin in column C, make it C2Z2. If you're tracking more dates, extend the range to include them. Next, you'll want the total number of sessions that have an entry, whether P or A. That's what keeps the percentage accurate as your sheet grows. In another cell, type IDS County, B2Z2. County counts all non-blank cells, so it includes both P and A, but ignores upcoming dates you haven't filled yet. To get the attendance percentage in a single cell, combine those ideas into one formula. Click the cell where you want the percentage to appear and enter Ixon County F B2Z2 P County A B2Z2. Press enter. You'll likely see a decimal such as 0.85, which means 85%. If the row is completely empty, you may see 0 until you begin entering P or A, and that's expected. Let's make that number easier to read. With the percentage cell selected, click the percent icon in the toolbar. That converts the decimal into a clean percentage, like 85%. Use the increase or decrease decimal buttons if you'd like more or fewer decimal places. From here, you can copy the formula down the column to apply it to other rows. Just make sure each row's range matches the row's data. Stay consistent with P and A, and your sheet will calculate the percentage automatically as you go. That's all you need for a quick, accurate attendance tracker in Google Sheets.